Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, we're in the World Space Week. So guys, happy World Space Week. And the theme of this year is women in space. So we are celebrating women in space, that is those who have participated in various activities to do with space technology. It could be launching satellites, or they've actually gone to space, or it could be you are a crew member and you've seen some of them, starting from the first woman who went to space to even more that have been going. So that is what we're celebrating today. And in regards to that, I have a few women who are going to tell us how they feel about the World Space Week, how space has impacted on their careers and how it has affected their lives, how they feel about it. So enjoy, guys.
Hello, I am Dr. Lakshmi N. Gopraju, PhD in Environmental Science and Technology, India. I am a scientific advisor at Vindhyan Ecology and Natural History Foundation, Mirzapur, India. I am the Regional Ambassador of Asia Women in Geospatial Plus and also the founder of GeoSakhi, which is an online learning platform for women empowerment. For me, space means satellites orbiting the Earth which unfailingly deliver beautiful images of the Earth and help us in studying natural resources for conservation. It transformed my life from a life science student to a remote sensing scientist, studying the same thing from a very different perspective and finding solutions for protecting diversity and wildlife. Further, as a science communicator, it is thrilling to teach children about the diversity of satellites and their functions. Thank you. Let us celebrate the World Space Week.
Hello everyone, my name is Florence Mena and I'm a geospatial engineer. This week has been World Space Week and the theme is Women in Space. I want to say a very huge shout out and thank you and kudos to all the women who've been part of space technology and who've been part of also satellite technology and all that. It's not an easy task going to space, launching satellites and all that, and the fact that women were involved, it's really, really amazing that they've played a big role when it comes to that. If you've interacted with the internet, used the TV, used Google Maps and all that, then you've directly benefited from space technology, because through space technology there are satellites that have been launched into space where we get live images, because because satellite technology cannot be obstructed easily. Even the most remote of areas, you can get images for such areas, since even high mountains and trees cannot obstruct the transmission of signals from the satellites to the Earth's surface. So yes, the space technology has played a very great role to each and every one of us. As a geospatial engineer, I have benefited from space technology when it comes to getting high resolution imagery from USGS and from Google Earth. You can even get images dating even way back to the 70s and the 60s, and this has been made possible due to space technology. And with such information, I am able to perform what we call land use land cover mapping. There's accuracy assessment when it comes to use of GIS and remote sensing techniques. Precision agriculture has also been made possible when using satellite technology and LiDAR technology also. We are basically, there's so much that we can say about space technology, but in few words, that's it. And as the first woman in space said, Valentina Tereshkova, she said that a bird can't fly with one wing, and human space flight can't develop any further without the active participation of women. And yes, women have really done a lot. And from me, it's a huge thank you. And I appreciate the efforts from each one of them, and they've made it possible for us to get all that. Yes, thank you, and let's keep using space technology.
So guys, how do I feel about space? Well, I've written down some things about how I think space has affected my life. And first, I just want to say, when we talk about space, we talk about satellites, we talk about rockets, we talk about other planets of the earth. And I think that space technology in general has helped us understand the earth deeply. Some of the things that you can be able to know from the satellites are the things that you can't see yourself physically. You can't visualize it. Like when you walk around, you can't see the amount of carbon in the air, something like that. Okay, maybe if you live maybe next to a factory, you can be able to see some of that gas that is being emitted from the factory, but you can't tell how much carbon is in that gas. But that's an example. But from satellite analysis, from this space technologies, you can tell how much of carbon is being emitted to the atmosphere, and from that you can be able to tell how the climate is changing, because that's increasing temperature, stuff like that, and we can predict how climate is going to change in the future. So what I'm saying is, from that's something you couldn't have known without the space technology. That's not something you can just see outside and you can tell that, oh, the climate has changed, or maybe the temperature has increased. So what I'm saying is, it has enabled us to understand our planet even more, and even understand beyond our planet. You've heard NASA has been exploring other planets, and that's something that space has made it possible. Also, I think that space has brought all of us together, because space isn't just something about one country in the world, it's about all of us. We all care about the space because it affects all our countries, so it brings everyone in the world together. So that's something else. By the way, guys, today, okay, this World Space Week, it's not just about people in the space technology industry, it's about each and every one of you, because at the end of the day, space technology is going to affect you whether you like it or not, because you're in the planet Earth. So whatever is going on out there beyond Earth, it's definitely going to affect you. So this video is for every one of you. If you like space, if you like satellites, rockets, all those things, make sure you comment down below and you can share what you feel about space, what you like about space, and how this World Space Week is impacting on you. And if you didn't even know about this World Space Week, now you know. And if you feel like commenting anything, like if you want to share how you feel about space, you can do that. So that's really my take on the space technology. And if you really like this space technology stuff, make sure you comment. And that's the end of this video, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.